Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Moin. I'm back again for another video. So it's currently Saturday, April 19, 2025. And this is the weekly trading recap. So I only took one trade this week. I took it on Monday. We lost. It is what it is, right? But yeah, let's just explain what's going on. I don't know this is so messy. This is ridiculous. Look at this beautiful head and shoulders pattern though. I'm just now seeing this. Boom, 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 boom. It's retesting the neckline. Drop. Hopefully. We'll see. I don't know. Anyways, let's see what's popping. Let me turn this off. Alright, so that's much better. Alright, so let's go to gold. I'm not really gonna do the replay thing because there's no point. Alright, let's go. So coming into the market on Monday, okay, cool. So coming into the market on Monday, I was looking to buy. Why was I looking to buy? Oh, actually, let me go on the 15 minute. Oh, okay, I know why. Because the daily's bullish. So the daily's bullish, 4 hour is bullish. At the time when I came to the market, it did start pushing to the downside, but it was bullish, so I was looking to buy. Yeah, that's why. Okay, cool. Reset this. Alright, cool. So coming into market, I was looking to buy. Obviously, price gave me a nice order block to buy from, pushed to the upside, and didn't pull back till 8:30. I'm not even on the charts at 8:30, and it didn't even give an interest in us. So we didn't take a trade. Wait. So I didn't take a trade this week? Wow. When did I did take a trade this week. When did I take a trade this week? I'll be honest with y'all, I have not been on the charts a lot this week just because there's not a lot of opportunities, so I don't really, there's no point. Like, let me see. April. Wow, I did take a trade. Oh, it was on silver. Okay, cool. So I was looking to buy on gold, silver. I was also looking to buy. This is a really good trade. I'm okay with it, even though we lost. It is what it is, right? But let me just replay this. So I was looking to buy, price pulled back to this order block. Obviously didn't respect it on the lower time frame, but then higher time frame just pulled back. Started pushing to the upside, so I went down to a lower time frame. 1 minute, look at the shift of structure. Actually, let me delete this because this is confusing. Okay, cool. So price came back, did the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Didn't break above, waited for a little slight pullback, finally broke above here. So when it broke above, if you go on a 3 minute, you can see, okay, price made like a decent order block. And I know why you're asking, why am I doing the order block of this? It's something that I'm learning, I'm implementing right now. But anyways, price had this little pullback on a 3 minute. So now I was waiting for the break above this level to tell me, okay, we're gonna go to the upside. And as well, there's an inverted head and shoulders. There you go, right here. Boom. Actually, it's better if I do this so you can see. You see the head and shoulders pattern right here? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, like that. So I guess I could have waited for the retest of the head and shoulders, but at this point, it was already like 8 o'clock, right? Yeah, 7:54. So I just felt I would not have taken this trade. It is what it is. We did take this trade. One thing I could have done is I could have put my entry somewhere here. Even if I had put my entry here, let's be honest. Even if I had put my entry here, I still would have lost this trade. Just because the market, like, that's just how the market moved at that time. Let me show you. So we're in profit a little bit, so I was like, okay, cool. We have a lot of potential to upside. We'll just let it do its thing. Obviously, price stopped me out. And it just happened. It's just news. I can't control that. It's a part of the game, right? Can't control that. So we did take a loss on Monday because of that. Coming into Tuesday, look at all this shenanigan right here. Not a lot of price movement, so no trade on Tuesday. Either on gold, look at it as well. USD CAD. I was waiting for this pullback on Tuesday to sell. Oh wait, this Tuesday right here. Sorry, I was looking to buy. Obviously, price pullback by like 9:30 the whole time between 6 and 8. It wasn't giving me no setup, so I didn't take any trade. Pull back later on. Had a big push to the upside. It is what it is. USD JPY. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I'm looking to sell, apparently. fast pull here didn't give me a good entry signal, so I didn't take it. Okay, cool. I was looking for a pullback here. Yeah, I think you give it to me. It is what it is. Let's just stay on gold and silver. I'm trying out USD. I'm trying out USD JPY because I know the strategy works on gold, silver, and USD CAD, but USD JPY I'm still working on. And then obviously I added these pairs a few days ago because I want to backtest the strategy on these as well, just to see how it works. Coming into the market Wednesday again. I was looking to buy because we're pushing to the upside on gold and silver. So I'm like, okay, cool. Waited for the pullback, didn't give an interest signal. Obviously, give a lot of shenanigans, so we avoided a loss. And even if we were looking to buy, news happened, so we would have lost anyways. Same thing with gold. Didn't give a good setup till 9:30. I'm not on the charts at this time. It is what it is. And then Thursday, not a lot of price movement, just a lot of shenanigans here. It didn't make a head and shoulders pattern, but I'm not on the chart at this time, so I would have not taken the trade. Same thing with silver. This is just trash. And then USD CAD, same thing, just shenanigans. USD JPY, a lot of shenanigans. And then obviously you're wondering, where's Friday for gold? I don't know. I don't know what happened. There was no price action on Friday. Like, I woke up, obviously Friday I didn't wake up to trade, but I didn't trade on Friday. But when I was looking at the charts, there was no price movement on Friday. So there was no trade to be taken. Same thing with silver, no price movement. On USD CAD and USD JPY though, there was price movement. So yeah, this is a pretty chill weekly recap. Not a lot to talk about. One thing that I'm going to be working on is maybe not trading Mondays. I feel like every time I come to the market on Monday, I don't want to say I'm too excited, but I always seem to find opportunities that are not there. Now, that trade that I took in silver, I'm okay with that. Like, this is a good trade. Give it interest in it. Give me everything I needed. It just happened to lose. It is what it is, right? But a part of me is like, okay, we could have avoided that if we just waited patiently, right? Could have been more disciplined. So I'm still trying to decide if Mondays I want to trade. Because if I don't trade Mondays, then I'll trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But if I trade Mondays, then I don't trade Fridays. So I'm trying to figure out which one works best. And so far, Friday's not giving a lot of opportunities. Mondays do give a lot of opportunities. I just gotta be careful which ones I take. So that's something that I need to work on. Also on silver, I'm waiting for price to get out of this shenanigan zone. Like, this is annoying. Hold up. Oh, let me reset. Price, look, lower high, lower low. So this whole time, the 4 hour is bearish. All this movement between the 4 hour is bearish. If you can see on the daily, it's also bearish. But while we're pushing the upside, so that's what I'm looking to buy. It doesn't make sense, I know. Weekly, we're also bearish. So silver, we're just bearish overall. Gold, on the other hand, we are bullish. So it's like, I'm trying to buy on one pair, but the other pair is telling me it's bearish, so it's most likely gonna sell. That's where the confusion is at. So I just need these to line up. USD CAD, bearish overall, so I'm okay with that. But the thing with this is, if USD CAD is bearish, right? And USD JPY is bearish, that means the dollar is getting weaker. If the dollar is getting weaker, then these are going to be bullish and push it to the upside. So that's why I'm trying to use cross-pair correlation. But yeah, that's going to come with time. We just got to be patient and wait for price to I just want price to break out of this zone. Once it breaks out of this zone, it's going to be sweet. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and keep going. God bless you.